I've gotten a lot of questions about this particular pumpkin on my Instagram. So here's a quick tutorial on how I made this. I purchased a pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. It was $3. I used large size rubber bands to create this pattern. And once I finished putting all the rubber bands on to my desired taste, you can do the same, I then took Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint and I sprayed the pumpkin, as you can see here. Once it dried, I removed all the rubber bands from the pumpkin. Next, I started adding my brooches that I got from twellsdesignsavvy.com. I used the leaf brooches so that I could give my pumpkin a little bit more of the fall finish. Then I started to add my pearls. And guys, this right here is tedious, but it's going to be well worth it in the end. I finished the pumpkin with a little bit of copper spray, and guys, this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the finish. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. More videos on the way.